One of my favorite parts of any new listing is when we have the house clean and empty and it's time for the stagers to install their furniture. I mean, the house looks great as it is. You can see this is a listing we have coming up in Bothell. It's gonna be fabulous, but the staging is magical. The staging is where we bring in, the furniture, decorations, all the knicky-knack stuff. I'm horrible, I'm not a good decorator, but the stagers know exactly what they're doing and they get it all installed. So when they get here, I'm just waiting and peeking out the door for them to come. When they get here, they are going to have a moving truck full of furniture. They have a crew of 4 people. They're gonna transform the house and it's gonna look really amazing when it's done. So I can't wait to show you guys the before and after with some of the staging stuff. As you can see, everybody loves a before and after, so this is a real HGTV experience to see the magic that the stagers have done in the home. That is why I include staging with all of the homes that I list. I pay for it and I get it in there because I think it just makes a magical difference. It helps people connect emotionally, and if you know anything about psychology, people make decisions based on their emotions first. The heart decides first and then the brain makes it seem reasonable. So we want our buyers to have that magical emotional experience when they walk into the home, and that's why I think staging is so important. Not only will people see the staging when they visit the home, they'll also see it in our professional pictures and videos online. So it helps get people in the door. People got to see it online first before they decide to spend their time visiting. So we get it out in front of people. That's one of the things we do best. If you need help selling your home into the Seattle area, we cover Everett, Seattle, Bellevue, and down south to Federal Way. Let us know if we can help. Looking forward to serving you.